Hey everybody, if you like hard-boiled eggs, this is gonna be sweet. I have one of these already. This one, it just got taken. Left it in an old place. But okay, so this is the way it works here. I'll show you guys it here for a second. And it makes the eggs even, however you want them. If you want the soft-boiled ones, if you want hard-boiled ones, you're golden either way. So let's see, so this is what we do here. Okay, so you see, it just plugs into a regular outlet. It is a simple concept here. So you plug it in, you fill up this to your type of line. I would do hard, because I like hard-boiled eggs. You pour the water into the little dish here. You put your eggs in there. Looks like it'll hold 7 eggs. And then you put the top on and start it, and it'll go. And when it's done, I think it just stops and you're done. So super easy. It just makes the eggs for you basically. So if you like to have hard-boiled eggs, or I guess it'll make poached and other eggs too that I don't really eat, but pretty neat little setup here for sure. Totally awesome. I like it. Thumbs up.